In an era that values efficiency and environmental protection, laundry detergent pods have quickly become a favorite in households worldwide thanks to their compact design, high concentration formula, and convenient user experience. But behind this seemingly simple little pod lies a sophisticated factory production process. Today, we'll take a deep dive into a detergent pod manufacturing facility and uncover the entire production journey. The manufacturing process of laundry detergent pods is highly precise, combining chemical engineering, automated machinery, and environmental consciousness. The entire process is generally divided into 4 main stages: formula design and raw material preparation, film production, forming and filling with heat sealing, and finally drying and packaging. The first step is formula design and raw material preparation. The core of a detergent pod is its high-concentration cleaning liquid. To ensure cleaning effectiveness and safety, manufacturers must precisely blend ingredients such as surfactants, e.g. linear alkyl benzene sulfonate, LAS, AES, solvents, glycerin, propylene glycol, enzymes, protease, lipase, fragrances, and colorants. Each component has its role, removing stains, dissolving grease, or providing scent and color, forming the internal core of the pod. To ensure the final product's stability during storage and transport, the moisture content of the detergent liquid is strictly controlled below 10%, preventing the outer film from dissolving or softening prematurely. Next comes the film production stage. The pod's outer membrane is typically made of polyvinyl alcohol, PVA, a material known for its excellent water solubility and biodegradability, making it a model of eco-friendly packaging. In the factory, PVA film production involves multiple steps, including raw material heating and dissolving, mixing, filtration, casting into films, and cooling and drying. This ensures consistency in film thickness and strength, which is crucial for the subsequent steps. The third stage, forming and filling, is the most technically demanding part of the process. In specialized automated filling machines, the pre-made PVA film is first blow molded into spherical or capsule-shaped cavities. Then, the high-concentration detergent liquid is precisely measured and injected into these cavities, followed by rapid sealing through heat sealing devices, forming completely sealed and uniformly shaped pods. It is important to note that both filling and sealing must be carried out in a temperature and humidity-controlled environment to prevent the film from deforming or melting prematurely due to moisture. Finally comes the drying and packaging stage. The sealed detergent pods are sent into a low-temperature drying zone to remove residual surface moisture and prevent sticking. Once dried, the pods undergo rigorous quality inspections, including seal integrity, burst strength, active ingredient content, and dissolvability tests to ensure each product meets export standards. The pods are then sorted by specification and packed into sealed bags or plastic containers, with labeling, barcoding, and boxing carried out by fully automated systems. This improves efficiency and reduces the risk of contamination from human handling. Throughout the entire plant operation, a central control system monitors the production line in real time. From ingredient mixing and filling volume to temperature and humidity control and equipment status, everything is tracked and recorded by intelligent systems to ensure consistency and traceability across batches. Laundry detergent pods are not only a breakthrough in cleaning products but also a product of integrated technology and eco-conscious design in modern daily chemical manufacturing. Each small pod represents a complex, efficient, and environmentally friendly industrial process, embodying innovation in consumer goods during the era of intelligent manufacturing.